First here at 5, a former Tulsa police officer charged with rape was in court today. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day. Police say DeAngelo Reyes met the victim while on duty and looked her up on police databases. News on 6's Emery Bryan was in court today as the judge decides if there's enough evidence for Reyes to stand trial. Emery?
Well, Craig, and this is the situation, preliminary hearing where that decision will be made. It has not been made yet. Court is just now wrapping up for the day. It looks like this will continue into tomorrow. But this now former Tulsa police officer, DeAngelo Reyes, was in court for the first time to directly hear from his accuser and let a judge hear that to decide if this case should go to trial. This relates back to an incident that happened on Easter Sunday of this year where this officer encountered a woman at a hotel at 51st and Yale. What seemed to be a random encounter with a woman walking her dog turned into a sexual encounter. This woman later reported it to Tulsa Police, wanting to file a complaint about rape. That was investigated, and this officer was questioned about it, first denying it, but a police officer who questioned him says now that this officer on a second interview admitted that there was a sexual encounter with this woman while he was on duty in a hotel room at 51st and Yale. The dispute lies in whether that was a consensual encounter or, in fact, it was rape. Now, the victim gave very emotional testimony in the courtroom today, talking about how this officer got into her room, exactly what happened there. She said he kept his gun belt on at all times, and she, because she has a lengthy criminal record, was very afraid that she would do something to resist that would make him angry and perhaps send her back to prison where she would be unable to be around family. She's been in prison before. Now, this victim finished up her testimony, at times becoming angry with the questioning by the defense attorney. That court hearing is still ongoing at this hour. The police detective who is handling the case is on the stand right now talking about this second interview where the police officer admitted that there was a sexual encounter, again denying that it was anything other than a personal, consensual sexual encounter. We'll see in a little bit if that case is going to go to trial. Reporting live at the Tulsa County Courthouse for now, Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.